Here's where the damage starts upstairs. And Nathan started to take apart the bathroom so we could piece it back together. It quickly became too long of a list that felt way too overwhelming. Is that much drywall supposed to be coming off with it?
Still trying to figure it out.
We have been living in a construction zone for 7 months, so I feel like I'm still waiting to fall in love with our home. We need the pros, we need help to fix the rest of our home.
My goal is not just to fix their house, but hopefully for them to love their house again.
Hey!
Hi! Welcome to our home.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming over.
We just kind of had our hands full from the beginning with the amount of things to change.
Okay. Show me around. I see a few things that, you've got started, it looks like. What's up with this tape?
So this was a built-in little bookshelf, but it was really loose.
And so we took that out. But the problem was the tile went right around it, and then we're left with big gaping hole in the wall.
Really, it doesn't seem like you ever moved into
We're
space.
still waiting to fall in love with our house. We need some help.
Yeah, we are majorly stuck.
I definitely want to get into this kitchen.
When we bought the home, we had to get all new appliances. The old oven had the back to it with all the dials on it. And we didn't know until we took it out that the paint actually didn't go all the way down. So we figured, well, let's get a backsplash to cover this. And every tile we took off came a big chunk of drywall. Yeah.
Anytime it's touched or even like breathed on, a little bit more drywall falls off.
The way that it's set up now, you've got the seating here for the kids. This is a big dining room.
We use this space immensely throughout the day. Indoor-outdoor feel in this area is fantastic.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, wow. So what have you guys done out here?
When we did buy it, we knew that the irrigation didn't work.
Nathan did repipe the whole sprinkler system and replace all the sprinkler heads.
And just to get this ready for sod would be months of weekends. Not only is the inside of their house not complete, but they're in their house that they're not in love with, looking out at a yard that is frustrating them. Let's go look at that bathroom. Oh, man. Wow. This is really bad, you guys. Looking at this subfloor and the area around the toilet, this is clearly from termites. The termites are gone, but judging by the amount of damage, they were here for a long time.
I mean, this just went right through.
This is next level. I don't think we should be standing in here. In a bathroom especially, the structure needs to be solid. I need to cut into the subfloor. I need to see how far this damage has gone. Okay, let's talk budget. So $95,000, replace all the floors, a brand new kitchen, a new fireplace, backyard, this bathroom. Is that my max?
Yes, that's your max.
My concern is what I'm gonna find in that bathroom. It's just gonna be a matter of figuring out how to make this bathroom safe, and then whatever we have left over, we can spend on the rest of the house.
Okay.
Makes sense.
So, next steps, I want you to move out.
Okay.
I'm gonna get in here quickly. My team's gonna come in. I'll keep you guys updated. I don't know what we're gonna find.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get to packing. So much is happening here today already. We've got the framing going up on the fireplace. My drywall is coming along. So any of the areas in the kitchen where there was even the possibility of moisture, we cut the drywall out, put new drywall in. They're here, they're taping, they're mudding. This Coney wall is new now. No more mold, we've remediated everything, and they don't even have to worry about that anymore. It's now safe. For this hood, we built a frame out of the cabinetry, and then we installed a hood vent. Now that that's all in place, we can start installing tongue and groove.
So the hood's looking cool, right?
I love how simple it is. And that's it. We're gonna paint it to match the cabinetry. It's custom carpentry, and that's what's gonna make all the difference.
Nobody likes this gray slat tile fireplace.
This fireplace is something that has irked Nathan and Paige since the day they bought this house. And I'm ready to start putting it back together. The guys were able to finish the tongue and groove paneling. So my next step is actually to tackle this mantle. So I'm just gonna use the existing piece of wood that's here, but I'm actually gonna wrap it with a birch material that, once it's clear coated, is going to look like a white oak. So this is the top piece. I'm just going to glue it, not too much, but enough where most of the surfaces adhere. So now I'm just gonna tack it in with a few little nails, and that's gonna hold it in place. The glue that's doing the work. So see how nice that corner is there? That's the dream. We are living the dream. By keeping the original mantle and just covering it, I've been able to save their budget, save our time, and it's gonna look like a brand new beam. And that, it's done. This is going to be something that Nathan and Paige see every single day. So I want it to be spot on. It's gonna be here for a long time. Bathroom is coming together. The subfloor is fixed. The plumbing is fixed. Hi. I asked Nathan to come help me build the garden bed. What I thought we could do is actually plant these raised planter beds.
Okay.
With like vegetables and herbs and different things for Paige.
That would be awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, fantastic. I should love it.
Landscaping is finally going in. What we should do, I think, is make sure that all the plants are in the right spots so that we can get them in the ground, so that we can water them, so they don't just like fry in their containers. I had $15,000 to spend on this yard, and I have spent every single penny. And it's gonna show. I'm getting this yard to a place where Nathan and Paige are proud of it, and all the problems, the bad experiences and the late nights, I just want it to melt away. And they just see this yard and they're like, we made a good decision. We bought the right house and we love being homeowners. That's the dream. Today is the final day. Nathan and Paige get to come home and move back in. TV, done. Nathan and Paige fell out of love with homeownership. It burned them, and I get that. My hope is that they come home today and that they love it and they're excited and they can just kind of like pick up and live their life. Hi, you guys.
Hey.
Hey, Jasmine.
How's it going? Yes.
We're so excited to see you.
I'm so excited to see you because this means your house is done.
Really
Can't wait to
excited
see.
it. I know. Oh my God.
What?
Wow.
It's like better than like I dreamed. I can't even. It's just so good. Oh my gosh, the piano looks so awesome.
Fantastic. I love the color.
Look at the fireplace. Nobody likes this gray slat tile fireplace. I love it so much. It looks so different.
So good.
It looks amazing.
Oh wow.
Stop.
It
Stop.
looks so good.
Are you kidding me? It looks so good. This is my dream kitchen. This is everything I wanted. This is like way more than I wanted.
It is gorgeous.
You guys.
Oh my gosh, Jasmine, are you kidding me? Are you
Like
kidding me? Do I like it? I love it. It is like beyond.
Yay.
It is beyond.
It is so
beautiful and peaceful and calm and comfy. And I feel like the luckiest girl in the world right now. Literally, like you outdid yourself. Absolutely.
This is night and day from what it was before.
The red walls being gone make a huge difference. Also, you guys, I mean, you never really moved in. How do you feel about the baking station?
This is my jam. I can't wait to have several loaves rising right here. That's the first thing I'm gonna do.
Check this out. So this actually,
No, are you kidding me?
and it's plugged in, so you never have to like mess with plugging it in or anything like that.
I know.
Okay, that is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Okay, so we need to go upstairs and see this bathroom, the infamous bathroom. Let's go check it out.
I wish the bathroom was fixed.
All right, I'm gonna let you go in first.
What? Oh, it's so cute.
It's beautiful.
And our tile?
Yes.
Yeah?
yes.
It looks so good.
Can you see what's right over there?
That's the new toilet.
I installed it myself.
It's surreal to see a new toilet in the spot that was a gaping hole for so long.
Yeah.
We replaced the subfloor, we replaced all the plumbing. You never have to worry about a leak in this bathroom again.
A new toilet, a new day.
So there's one more part of this project that I worked really hard on that we haven't seen.
Okay.
Should we go in the backyard?
Absolutely.
All right.
Oh wow.
What? Wow, there is so much to take in.
It's like so different. Oh my goodness.
There's a lot of them. This is like a vegetable garden.
He did a lot of work back here because he knew that, this was something that you would love.
Well, thank you.
I'm so happy to see you guys happy.
Our kids are our first priority, and to be able to get that time back to spend with them it's gonna be big.
We're just so grateful, and we just wanted to say thank you so much. Exciting house.
Nathan and Paige were over homeownership. Being able to give her the home of her dreams, being able to see him proud of his house, that is what it's all about.